So for World Cancer Day, the World Cancer Research Fund is working with the UICC to try and promote a number of activities. Now, WCRF has an international component to it, as well as national charities as well. For the international and the national charities, their websites are going to be promoting World Cancer Day. We've signed the declaration, the World Cancer Declaration, together with a message of support from our president. And we're going to be focusing also on promoting some of the research that we did for part of our policy report, which was to identify the numbers of cancers in different types of countries that could be prevented by different dietary, food, nutrition and obesity means. And so we've updated those figures, and UICC and WCRF will be promoting the potential preventability of cancer through healthy eating and avoiding overweight as part of that. The simplest way for people to prevent cancer, the easiest, is of course not to smoke, but beyond that, for most people who don't smoke, the thing is to look at your lifestyle, to look at the way you eat and the way how physically active you are, and to make sure that you don't get overweight, as well as of course accessing the health services for things like screening, where that has been clinically shown to be of value. So the NCD Summit is going to be happening later on this year, and it's important to try and get useful outcomes from that, by which I mean that the outcomes should be action-oriented. And the purpose of the meeting from our point of view is to be able to get a political commitment to real actions that will make cancer less likely across all the parts of the globe, whether they're high, middle or low income countries. And it should cover not just treatment, not just palliation, but also prevention as well. And when I say prevention, I mean not just screening, but also primary prevention by changing people's lifestyles, increasingly important across the world as it becomes more urbanized and Western-type lifestyles are encroaching upon traditional lifestyles.